Hi everyone, welcome to my digital marketing class. This digital marketing course, I have decided to name it Practical Digital Marketing. One of the reasons why I named it the Practical Digital Marketing is because whatever you are going to learn will be the practical aspect of digital marketing. So my name is Mr. Issa. So at the end of this course, you should be able to think digital and act strategic. You should be able to think of the digital world. Digital world is the online world. The online world, what you see in the internet. Something like this. You go to go to Yahoo. This is the digital world. So you think digital. Yes. If people visit this a lot, this website a lot, this is a website. This is a search engine website. If people visit it a lot, you can decide to place an advert here if you like. So there are other digital world like YouTube. YouTube is a video digital world. The video digital world where you find video, like a video blog, a video website where you find so many videos of people, so many videos. So let's move on. So basically, my name is Mr. Issa. I'm a digital marketing expert because I'm an expert in digital marketing. I'm expert in anything digital world. Today, for this video, we'll discuss, basically not discuss about the table of content. I'll make this short and easy. The first thing we'll do in this course, which is a practical course, is basically we'll do the digital marketing strategy. This part, you'll be able to create a digital marketing strategy for your business. How to promote your business online, how to get customers, all those things. Next, we'll then do social media marketing, how to promote your business on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Then we'll do what? Then we'll do lead generation. Lead generation is basically how to get personal information of people that are interested in your business. You must have filled a form online. Some of you must have filled a form online. That is lead generation. You want to get the personal information of those people that are interested in your business, be it those that must have bought from you or those that are still interested in buying. The next, we then do content marketing. For content marketing, we'll focus on blog. Blog, when you go, blogs. You go to blogs, you see news, and you read news on blogs. Let me show you an example of a blog, news blog. So this is a blog, Star Reporter is a news blog. A blog is where you find people publishing frequently. They publish almost every day on the blog. So I'll teach you how to create a blog. Then on the next, I'll then teach you marketing automation and analytics. Marketing automation is where you will learn how to, let's say you own a social media account, a social media page, a social media profile, and you'll be busy now that you are watching this video. You can create a post and you schedule the post. You say you want the post to publish now that you are taking this class. You must have done it earlier before the time. You leave it, to publish now. People will think that you are doing it at the moment. They don't know you are doing something else. So you'll be able to manage your social media account without being online at the moment. That is why I'll teach you marketing automation. Then I'll teach you analytics. Analytics is for you to understand your social media business, your social media account. your online business. Let me just use the word. It's for you to be able to understand your online business customers, visitors, how they saw your business, where did they see your business, how they came to your social media account, how many people like your social media page, how many people view your social media video, how many people visited your blog, your website. That is analytics. So you will know. If you know that people in Lagos are visiting your social media page, you know that you need to promote more to people in Lagos. If you know that people in Ghana are visiting your website, you will know that you need to promote to people in what? In Ghana. So that is one thing I want you to understand. If you know that the people that are buying your things online, if they are from Abuja, then you know that you need to promote more on to Abuja. So that is where we then learn paid search. Paid search is basically advert on search engine. There's what they call search engine. Google is a search engine. Google is one of the most popular search engine. Let's go to Google. Google is very popular. www.google.com. Google is very popular. It's one of the most popular search engine. This is a search engine. Google is a what? A search engine. This is one of the most popular search engine. I want you to understand this. This is a search engine. Google is a search engine. There are other search engines. There's Yahoo search engine.com. Yahoo.com. How do you know a search engine? You find it like this. The search engine is like, it has a box and it has a button search. Uh, Yahoo is a search engine. This is the box. So what do they do? Search engine will help you to search the web for anything you are looking for. Let's say I'm looking for uh, phone for sale. Phone for sale. Phone for sale in Lagos. Let's do Lagos. Lagos. So this is the search engine. I just search and it gave me results for phone for sale. But this is not paid search. Paid search is the one that this company will pay. This one at the bottom will pay for them to be at the top. All those other ones they will see paid. So let's do something. Let's search for something so that we can see an advert. A paid search advert. Paid search is basically an advert on what? Search engine. Paid search is an advert on what? Search engine. This is a tool, a data marketing tool. Let's search for it. So this is sponsored results. So this is paid search. Paid search is a result that somebody it is a business that is promoting their business on searching. This is sponsored. They are paying money. If I click here, they will pay money. I'll teach you this in the course. But this one here is not paid. It's not paid search. This one here is not paid search. It's not paid. They are still search results. All of them are search results. But all these ones are organic search. This one is what? Paid search. PAID, paid search. Let's go back. I'll teach you. That is promoting your business with money on search engine. Then I'll teach you what? I'll teach you how to promote your business on YouTube with video advert. Let's go to YouTube so you see what a video advert is. So this is YouTube. On YouTube, you can create video advert. For this course, I will teach you youtube.com. For this course, I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel. After creating the channel, you upload your video that you want to use to promote your business. Then you promote the business. So now, let's click on any of these videos. Let's click on any of these videos. There should be an advert. Let's click on any of these. I want to look for a sensible one. Let's let's click this.
Wait,
So this is
how old is the new hire?
I don't know, but he literally uses
This-
Excel.
This is a video advert. This is a video advert. You can skip it. So you can create this advert to target your audience. Basically, these people they want to target people that are interested in what lectures, Islamic lectures. I can create, let's say you are into real estate. I'll create you create your video, you promote it on other people's videos that are into real estate because their customers are watching their video. Then they will see your own. They will not say, then you say, I have a land for sale. They'll see it. They'll click on it. They'll go to your website or they'll go to your social media page. Wherever you want them to go, they'll go there and what they'll buy. Can you see? So they explain the business to me. Like so, it's basically the video will show before the normal video. So the advert will show as a video before the normal video. So if I skip, I'll watch the
إن
normal
الحمد
video.
لله
But this is the normal
نحمده
video.
ونستعينه.
So as you can see, this is what they call the YouTube video advert. So I'll teach you how to do this. Then after that, we'll do app advert. App advert is basically for those that have app. Those that have app, you'll be able to promote your app. Your app, you'll be able to promote it. It will show on people's website. It will show on people's app. It also show on a Play Store for them to download. So basically, I think the advert will show. We'll do this when we go deep into the course. Basically, because one of the reasons why people promote their app is because they want people to start downloading immediately. Because if you don't promote it to become organic and they might not get to it. Let me just show you an example. Let's say this is not a phone, but I can download an app. Let's say uh, clock app. Clock app. So let's go to Play Store. Let's go to Google Play Store. You can create the advert. The advert will be on Play Store and it will also be on App Store. That is this for Apple and this for Google Play. That is this for Android. This for Apple phone. Let's open the two. So now let's search for clock app. None of this is sponsored. All these are organic site. If it was sponsored, you will see sponsored at the side. Let's go to the home. Let's check if there's anything like sponsored. Okay, let me check. Let me click on. Let's click on chess. Check if there's anything like sponsored below. Maybe if you do this on your Android phone, you might see sponsored. So basically, you'll be able to promote your app, and people will see them. This is App Store. This is App Store. Clock. Let's search for a different clock. Let's search for another clock app. None of these are sponsored. None of these are sponsored. So you'll be able to promote your app. The owner of this app can promote this app. The app will show on YouTube. The app will show on people's website. The app will show on people's phone. Sometimes if you are operating a phone, you are using playing game or you are operating an app on the phone, you will find advert at the top or at the side. They will just pop up. So that is how the advert will show and you will download the app. So after that, then I will teach you the organic search and website optimization. Organic search is for you to be able to show on search engine. You want to show on search engine. That is why you do organic search. Uh, what do I mean by search engine? Somebody have a website. The person writes about food. Let's say the person writes how to make eba. Everybody watch so that you understand. The person writes how to make eba. Organic search, you find them on Google. So I now go to Google. This is Google. I go to Google. I type how to make eba. Type how to make eba. So this is an organic search. This person did not pay money for this to show you. The person did organic search. The person optimized it. Optimization means the person improved the performance of the content. That is why the content is there. If I click it, you see it. So the person did organic search. That's why the person is here. So I'll teach you how to do organic search so that they can find you on search engine if you even if you don't use money to promote. Some of those people who use money to promote, they will be at the top. Like I told you when I showed you. So once you learn organic search, then you also learn website optimization, how to improve the performance of your website so that the website will show on search engine. There's and the next then I teach you e-commerce optimization. E-commerce optimization. For those of you, e-commerce is basically a shop, online shop. Like let me show you online shop in Nigeria. Some popular online shop in Nigeria, Jumia, Jumia.com, Jumia.ng. So I'll teach you how to promote your this online store on search engine because I told you earlier that you have paid search advert on organic. So I will teach you how to promote it on search engine if you have one, and I also teach you the how to optimize it. So this is it. E-commerce search engine optimization. I'll teach you how to optimize it so that even if you don't have money, you will still show on search engine. Okay, now imagine that you want to buy a phone. I want to buy this phone. Normally, when people want to buy something, they go to search engine. So let's say we want to buy a phone, let's say Techno phone. You go to search engine, you type Techno phone. Even if you don't spell it well, result will come out. Let's just say we know. Let's click. Before we move on, let me just show you. This is the advert sponsor. This person is paying money to promote. They pay money. What do I mean by pay money? Some people they pay money to marketer. So Google is the marketer. This search engine na be your marketer. This search engine is your marketer. People pay money to marketer. The search engine is your marketer. So you pay money to them. I'll teach you how to do it for people to see your advert. This one, it is not paid. As you can see, no sponsor, nothing like this is organic. If you click here, you go to the store to shop. So I will teach you how to do it the way you will not pay money to shop. And I will make you understand why you need to pay money and why you don't need to pay money. I will teach you. It is two ways. I'll teach you why you need to pay money to promote it and why you don't need to pay money to what promote it. It is not a must use money. Then after that, we'll then do email marketing. I'll teach you how to promote your business with email. You know, many of your customers they send you emails. Many of you, your customers, they have their emails, so you can send them emails. I'll teach you how to design an email, and for you to be able to email them, they will get the message, they will see it. Most of the times you get. Let me show you some of the messages I got in my box, email box. I think. Most of the times you get messages from these people. If you must have shop on Timo, you notice that you get messages from them more often. You notice that you get messages from them more often. So most of the time you must have got messages from these people. I usually get messages from them. So it's because they have your email, that is why they are sending you. So I'll teach you how to message people, uh, how to message your customer via emails. Um, Email marketing. We create an email account, we create an account and an email platform that will message people. So if you usually shop here, you notice that they always send you email to your account. If they don't send you, you can scroll down and you find where they have. Normally, most times you find subscribe. You subscribe for emails. So this is it for uh, the content, the table of content. Basically, this is it. Uh, you should be ready for the course, and then because I'm ready to make you understand what digital marketing is, what online marketing is, what it means to promote people online. See you in the next video. Bye.